Guys, Sushmita ma'am, I have planned a debate activity with you.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
which
Okay.
is very similar to what we just discussed right now. You know,
Okay.
it's not just government's responsibility; it is our responsibility as well to take care of basic civic sense, right? So there to you, and I accept defeat. Okay, because we have reached the end of the session also. Okay. Yeah, it was very
Hmm.
difficult for me actually to counter to what you were saying because even I believe that if the government wants, they can apply strict rules. They can have a body cam also. Nowadays, we see the traffic police has a body cam. So if there's a body cam, I cannot offer him bribe even if I want to because it's being recorded. No.
Hmm. And even we can see these days, if we cross the red light, even though we get messages that you cross the red light and you are caught for that.
Yeah, that is. I mean, see, that is what I'm explaining to you. Know that people have lot of challan, 35,000, 40,000 pending, but there's no action taken against it. That you have to pay the fine. It is just there. Challan is there, so I will say okay, let it be. I don't have to pay. I'm not being stopped from riding. No, even though there
Hmm.
is a challan. So, but I agree with you. The government should make it.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Susmita ma'am. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, sir. Thank you so much. How day has been treating you? How summer is treating you, especially?
So it's monsoons over here in Mumbai, and monsoon has started in full fledged, right?
Okay.
And from the past 2 3 days, it's the rain has subsided a little bit. But before that, for I think almost 2 3 days, it was waterlogging, flooding, too much of rains.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure if you've watched the news, but it was all over the news and too many issues. The Mumbai Pune expressway was shut because there was a landslide. Too many places, the roads were blocked, trains were not functioning properly. So, too much of
Okay.
issues because of the rains.
Uh,
So, from the past 2 days, it's become a little warmer. Today, the sun is out. I mean, I haven't seen the sun out for the past, I think, what, 1 week or something. Today,
okay.
I've got to see a little bit of sunlight. So, yeah, that's the situation of
Are
today.
you feeling little relief? That means
Actually, to be honest with you, no, because when the sun is out, it becomes hot. It
hot.
becomes
It
humid.
happened.
Meaning, the climate is very pleasant. So until
Hmm.
and unless you have to travel, I like the rains. So yeah, that
Happens.
is that is the situation of the weather over here.
Hmm.
What about you? How's it at your end?
The weather is same. Today we could see the sunlight outside, although it was raining. So today we are able to see sunlight after a long. So there is no such waterlogging as you said.
Uh,
But yes, little bit road was blocking and it was difficult to travel, but it not such intense.
okay.
But most people were suffering there a lot.
Yes, over here, I mean, it's a story of every year. Whenever
Yes.
the monsoons come, people are already prepared that okay, the roads are going to be blocked. There's going to be waterlogging. So
Yes.
it's a never-ending story for us Mumbai cars,
Hmm.
especially.
Because of crowd area.
Excuse me. Not exactly because of the crowd. It's because of the crowd is not being managed properly. There's
Okay.
too much of littering. Too much of people not
Hmm.
treating the roads as if it's their own country. You know, so many
Yeah,
times
that's
I
true.
see people. They'll be traveling in a public transport, and they'll just
Hmm.
throw the waste on the road without any fear. Without any hesitation. They will just throw it like it's
Yeah,
a
it is.
dustbin. you know so there is no civic sense, as we say. People are not responsible enough that I need to throw the waste only in the dustbin.
True.
So
Yeah,
that's
that
the
is
reason.
also.
That is what causes the waterlogging. There are drainage system, everything is there in place, but
Okay.
because of the litter the drainage system gets blocked, and because of
Blocked.
that
Hmm.
the floods happen.
Okay.
The problem is that the population is so much. So I mean, how many people are you going to go and educate?
Hmm.
That's the issue. How many people are going to go and reach out? We cannot just blame the government. I think we also should be responsible
We,
of what we are doing.
yeah, obviously, we should take responsibility as a citizen of this country, right? It's not only about government, we are also responsible for that.
Exactly. We also should
Hmm.
behave responsibly.
Yeah, we should be.
There was a article which I read recently where there are some fines which are going to be imposed in the near future for littering
Okay.
and stuff like that. So let's see. Hopefully that should bring a little bit of change. You know,
Hmm.
people will not
But
litter. Yeah, yeah.
uh, but yes, government has taken this decision. Maybe it could take long time, maybe 2 3 years to
That is
fulfill it.
that is
Yeah, that
something which we have to. I mean, wait and watch what happens. But
yeah.
at
What
least they've
can we
taken the
do else?
initiative. It
Yes,
can be, yes, yes.
obviously.
Yeah,
Yeah, obviously, well, it happens most of the year. We can see if we face such kind of problem at that very moment, they take such kind of promises and make such kind of promises and they try to do. But over the time, once we come out or come over such problem, then they forget. It
correct.
happens most of the time.
Right. I mean, this is what I just mentioned to you. This is not just for the monsoons. This is something which they are going to carry out throughout not just the year, but this is something that is going to be permanent. So they have not
Mhm.
done this keeping in mind only the monsoons. This is something which they are planning to do for a long term. So let's see if they impose it. I think it would be great. People will not just litter without any fear. They will be a little bit
Yeah.
scared that if I get caught, I have to pay a fine, stuff like that. Hopefully it brings some change. Let's see. The
Mm.
good thing is at least they have taken some initiative. you know Whether
Yeah,
they do it or
actually.
not, that's for us to see later. But
Uh-huh.
at least they've come up with some kind of initiative. you know
Yes, obviously.
so let's see.
Actually, who faces the consequence, they should be little, conscious about it, right?
Right.
They should
Correct.
not do such thing which can
Correct.
harm them. So one second, okay? One delay.
Guys, Sushmita ma'am, I have planned a debate activity with you.
Okay,
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 which
okay,
is very similar to what we just discussed right now. You know,
okay.
it's not just government's responsibility; it is our responsibility as well to take care of basic civic sense, right? So the debate
Okay.
is going to be on that. We have to pick sides, okay, and then we have
Mm-hmm.
to justify our opinion of why we took that side. Okay,
Sure.
so the topic of debate uh, is government whole and soul whole and solely completely responsible for all the negative things that are happening in the country, like say for example corruption, waterlogging, not having proper law and order, right?
Mm-hmm.
So do you think the government is the only body which is totally responsible for bringing a change or making sure that law and order is functioning properly, there is no corruption, this cleanliness, hygiene, or do you think that it's the people's responsibility as well to curb corruption, or maybe because see what happens if I get caught on the traffic signal, I am the one who tells the traffic cop that please take 100 rupees and let me go. He is not initiating corruption. I am the
Mm-hmm.
one who's saying, sir, please take 100 rupees and let me go. Right?
Mm-hmm.
I should be the one who should say, what is the fine? Tell me, I will pay the fine. Right? So I
Mm-hmm.
am contributing to corruption. Right? Say for
Sure.
example, I'm not getting a train ticket. So I will go and I will say, "Arey, I will go and catch hold of some person and I will say, take some extra money and give me a seat."
Mm-hmm.
So I am the one. So do you think people are responsible as well? Or do you think if the government wants, if the government imposes very strict rules, they do certain stuff, the government itself alone can bring a change to the way we are living. This is the
So which side I should take?
So do you think government is alone possible and powerful enough to bring a change in the country, or do you think it is hand in hand? It is government as well as the people.
Okay, the process will be give and take, right? But here I have to choose one particular side. So I will take uh, against of government, we can
The
say.
country, or do you think it is hand in hand? It is government as well as the people.
Okay, the process will be give and take, right? But here I have to choose one particular side. So I will take uh, against of government, we can say.
You feel only government is responsible?
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Fine.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So I believe that if government take right or strict action toward any
Uh-huh.
problem occurring in our country is occurring in our country, so
Uh-huh.
if they take strict action toward any problem, then problem can be sought out according to me.
Uh,
And if they can force to people as well to obey their rules and regulations, what is this need to be done,
uh,
in any particular problem, then government has this power to make people understand and compel to follow these rules and regulation.
uh-huh. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll give you a very small example. Okay. There is a rule that we should not jump the red signal. Red signal, you
Met.
cannot cross the red signal, correct? If the signal is red, I
Hmm.
cannot drive ahead, right?
Yes.
Correct?
Yeah.
But people are still driving. There is a challan that is there. There is a new
Hmm.
law which is come that if you cross the red signal, you will get a challan. Okay.
Hmm.
But people are still crossing. There are 18,000, 20,000, 35,000 challan which is pending, but the person is still driving or riding without paying the fine. Okay. So people are not bothered. Even if you force the rules, they will find some loophole. Instead
Hmm.
of paying 35 rupees challan, he will go to the police station, okay, and tell the inspector, instead of paying 35,000, I will give you 5,000. You take the 5,000 and don't catch me.
Hmm.
So what the
Happens.
government can do in this? It's the person, no, who has to realize that it's a red signal and I should not cross the red signal. I should go only when it's green.
Hmm.
It's the person's mentality, correct?
Yeah, it is person's mentality. They are not that compelled or bound to follow the rules and regulation. They feel that if I give 5,000 rupees, then I will be let go. I will be allowed to go, right? So
Correct.
this is the mentality of people. But government, if government takes the strict rules and regulation, and not only government means police as well. They are taking few charges and they are letting go the person, right?
Huh.
But if police itself be a gentleman or to be a genuine toward government and not allow to go them taking few rupees from the public, then it would be the very strict rules and regulations. So police somehow are responsible for that. It's not only the fault of person or the public, but this is somehow fault of police.
So the police is ready to take challan. See, if I get caught at a red signal, okay,
Mhm.
the police always says, sir, you have been caught, this is the fine that you need to pay. If I pay the fine, the police takes the fine and they say, okay, now you can go. It's the
But
person who says,
they
sir, please take 100 rupees. Like I mentioned, 35,000 challan is there. It's the
yes,
individual, he's going to the police officer and telling him, sir, instead of paying 35,000 to the government, I'll give you 5,000.
5,000.
The police is not telling him that give me 5,000 and I'll let you go.
But
Police is
but
saying,
don't you think, sir?
"Huh,
Don't you think that why police should we agree in this kind of statement or this kind of deal? Why they should
because
agree? Don't they think about country's well-being or the rules and regulations?
because that's absolutely right. That is what I'm saying. No, that is why it is not just the government's responsibility. If it was the government's responsibility, he would have never accepted it. Correct?
Hmm. So, sir, I think not. I think actually government is also giving this responsibility to police, right? So they also don't have this right to do so.
It's been done under the table. No, that is why they say under the table.
Hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
So if the government rules are strict, then how under the table is happening? That is my question to you. It is happening
Okay.
because the people are willing, they are agreeing to do corruption.
Hmm.
So no matter what rules you put, the public will find a way to do corruption and see, because I am getting relief. I don't have to pay 35,000. I only have to pay 5,000. Plus it's the benefit for the official also. Okay. He is getting 5,000. What is the salary of a traffic police? Tell me. 15,000, 20,000 is the salary. How will he take care of his entire family? So he will also say, okay, give me 5,000. It's an extra income for me. Plus the government is not doing anything. There are no fines or there is nothing. If until and unless it's video recorded and there's a sting
Hmm.
operation done, there is no action taken, right? But there are
Yes.
thousands of cases which happen every
Yes,
day.
it happens.
Uh,
Somehow the government is not taking seriously,
I
right?
think it's the person's responsibility that if it's a red signal, it's basic civic sense. Don't
It
jump the.
is. It should be. But unfortunately we can't see, or we haven't seen such kind of things. Every person is following the rules and regulations, but most of the time we can see they are following. But a few cases we can see, yeah, they are ready to pay this huge amount, instead of following rules and regulations. In this case, I think if for them, for these kind of people, few amount is not sufficient, then we should take another action for them.
Huh.
I think we should, keep them in locker for a few days to make them realize that whatever you have done, it was absolutely wrong. So don't repeat again. So
The
that
law
kind
is
of,
there. The law is there.
yeah,
The
but
law has been made.
it's not being followed now.
So who? Why it is not being followed?
That is the what is happening between police and public. They
Ah,
are,
between
you
police and
know,
public. It is
public,
not
true.
just the police.
They are totally are also accomplice toward it. So I
Huh.
think government should take action against police as well in some
Huh.
extent. Though
Correct.
police are doing wonderful in their job, their jobs, it's very tough. i
Yes.
i admire it, but still in some extent government should take action against police as well.
Okay. All right. What about people who are driving from the wrong side? What will you say to them? What can police do in this?
Police, what can do in this is obviously wrong, wrong, right?
There is
This
no
is the
challan. There is nothing for coming from the wrong. So if suppose if there's a barrier in between, okay, it's
Mhm.
a two-way road, one-way road actually. Okay, where this side is only for going, that side is only for coming. But people are coming from this side also. They are bringing not only bikes, cars also. Rickshaw drivers are coming from the wrong side. Now, one police inspector, okay,
Mhm.
what are I mean, how many things can he take care of? He has to take care of the red signal challan. He has to take care of wrong side people coming, people not wearing helmet, not wearing seat belt. How many things will one police officer take care?
There
If
are
the
lots of
people,
things as
if
well,
the,
like
if the
camera
people
is
become
also there. Yeah,
camera
sorry,
is also
sorry,
there.
sir.
Camera is
Mhm.
also there. In in foreign countries at traffic signals there is no police inspector.
Yes.
It's not required because the people are sensible enough to know that
Mhm.
it's a red signal. I don't have to go from the wrong side. So the traffic police is not there only in that
Mhm.
situation. But in India, even if there are five police officers, it is not enough. So who will you
Mhm.
blame for this?
Mhm. So I think, sir, people are who live in foreign country. They are sensible enough. They have this
Exactly.
common sense, right?
Ah,
So they are following these all rules and regulation. That therefore there is no required of any kind of rules and challan and these all. But in our country, people are not that sensible. So therefore we have to handle the public accordingly,
hmm.
right? If people are not understanding the rules and regulation, then government should be responsible for that, to how they can make them understand and realize whatever you are doing is absolutely wrong.
Do
So
you?
government should find the solution to make people understand what could be exact rules and regulation they can bring, and let them know, or allow them to follow it.
But that's what I'm saying. The rules and regulations are being made. But
But it's not taken seriously. Maybe
huh,
the government is not taking seriously it.
how can the
Right.
government take it seriously? Tell me. If I tell you that, Sushmita ma'am, if you murder a person, you will go to jail.
Hmm.
If I tell you this, will you go and murder someone?
No,
Why?
because
Because
I
there is
have
a
a
law.
fear. Yeah.
There is a law, right?
Hmm.
But there are some people, even if there is a law, they are murdering and they are going to jail.
Hmm.
So government cannot go and stop him, no? That I have made. I mean, what more strict law can you make? The law is there.
But a number of time we can reduce such kind of cases if law is so strict. Let's suppose in foreign country, few countries, I have heard that if they steal something from anywhere, then their hands and their legs will be cut. So
Huh.
they, even we can see in foreign country, if something lying, or if something on road, people don't have this dare to pick this up
Ah.
because of strict law and regulation of this country, right?
Correct.
If we also follow the same kind of rule and regulation in India, how people can dare to do such kind of activity again? And
So
we
that
can see that after after committing uh, this kind of crime, they give few money and they come out from this, from prison,
exactly, that is my point.
right?
That is my point. That strict rules are there over here also. But the
Hmm.
problem is, people know that if I give some money to these people, I will be get I'll come out of this. So that is why there is no fear of them to not do the crime. They are doing it because they know I will find a way.
Yeah, that is why government should stick on this their rules and regulation. They should,
Excuse me. Yeah.
okay, they should not accept such a bribe from the criminal side, right?
Uh,
If they would not if they would not have accepted it, then people would not have this dare to go and give this bribe to police or government,
uh-huh.
right? So somehow this is the weak law of India. So such kind of crime has been escalated.
Okay. All right. So I agree to you, and I accept defeat. Okay. Because we have reached the end of the session also. Okay.
Oh my
So
god,
actually,
so
I was
fast.
yeah, it was very
Hmm.
difficult for me actually to counter to what you were saying, because even I believe that if the government wants, they can apply strict rules. They can have a body cam also. Nowadays, we see the traffic police has a body cam. So if there's a body cam, I cannot offer him bribe even if I want to, because it's being recorded. No.
Hmm. And even we can see these days, if we cross the red light, even though we get messages that you cross the red light and you are caught for that.
Yeah, that is. I mean, see, that is what I'm explaining to you. No, that people have lot of challan, 35,000, 40,000 pending, but there's no action taken against it. That you have to pay the fine. It is just there. Challan is there, so I will say, okay, let it be. I don't have to pay. I'm not being stopped from riding. No, even though there is
Hmm.
a challan. So, but I agree with you. The government should make it.